Another reason that I think is so cool is if you want to make natural salami, naturally, spontaneously, it's weird we say spontaneous, spontaneously fermented salami. It's not really spontaneous. It's endemically fermented. It's like without using inoculants. So without buying cultures or and without nitrate or nitrite, which are not cultures. Those are kind of ways that you control the acidity of the salami. And if you're going to do salami without those things, what you do need are domestic bacteria, on pig bacteria to do your fermenting. You need them.
Okay.
You can use previously frozen meat, completely sterilized meat, if you're going to add starter cultures that you can buy online, Bactofirm powders and stuff. But if you're not, you must have little cavilling beasties on there, little microscopic organisms to create the acid that is necessary to make the salami delicious and non-deadly. And that's, where would that bacteria be? It's on the skin. That's where it is. Even in a scalding and scraping situation, which I'll tell people how we do that, but you're not sterilizing the skin. The water only gets up to about 150 at the most. And even then, I try not to let it get that high. And it's only in there for 90 seconds. So the pig is in no wise sterile. And it's a good thing, too, if you're going to make your traditional salami, because it's just like cheese. All of the bacteria that make salami taste good, all of the capacity, all of the diverse flavors that salami has and you might not have tasted this in salami, but this is what it can be: nutty, buttery, cheesy, sweet. Those are all things that salami can be without adding ingredients that taste that way, just as a result of fermentation. Those bacteria are all on the skin.
Yeah.
And just in handling the meat and cutting it on your wood surface, drawing a knife through the skin, through the meat, you're inoculating it. Because the meat, the muscle tissue itself, is basically sterile, unless the pig has an infection, which is when there's like bacteria residing in muscle tissue, which it isn't. It needs to be put there by the skin, by your handling, and then allowed to ferment in a salubrious direction. So all that to say, you need the skin. You need the skin for that. A good scalded and scraped pig, or torched for that reason.
Right.